Hi, it's Rachel at Solutionize Global, and it's Team Talk Tuesday. It's Mental Health Awareness Week this week, so I thought it'd be really good to catch up with Kirsty Carter, our Chief of Staff. She's going to be explaining just what we've been doing to keep our staff motivated and happy during our remote working. Kirsty, over to you.
Thank you, Rachel. So Mental Health Awareness Week this week. So we've got a number of campaigns going on in promoting mental health awareness. Obviously, this is something that we should be doing 365 days a year, but it's great that we've got the focus on it this year and we can bring some of the stuff to life. My 3 top tips. Number 1, create as many opportunities as possible to break down barriers and give employees chance to talk. We've got that going on in lots of different ways. Through team talks, virtual socials, WhatsApp groups out of hours, old-fashioned telephone calls still come in occasionally. But I think it's really important that you've got your cameras on when you're doing these calls. It makes such a difference, and I can really get a feel as to whether or not that person's all right when I've seen them face to face, especially in this climate. First questions when you get on the call: how are you? Not, oh, I need this work doing, or you were late on this report, but straight into asking them how they actually are. How's the kids? How's homeschooling going? Lots of different pressures going on at the moment that can have an impact on people's well-being. Secondly, I've been running a time management workshop. I know it sounds really basic, but everybody's routines are completely different at the moment. So being able to apply some new discipline in terms of being organised and having good time management, giving that structure back is really helping. And finally, upskilling. There's loads of courses, complimentary courses and free stuff out there at the moment that if we invest in that and we put some of our time in, it really helps to remain proactive and gives some clarity and focus.
Perfect. That's great, Kirsty. I think there's some really, really good tips there. So I really appreciate you taking some time to talk to me today. And yeah, let's really keep the focus on mental health. It's so important more than ever to look after our people. And yeah, we'll be updating more around what we're doing this week on our social pages. Thanks, Kirsty.
Thank you.